Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota Tundra versus the Ford F-150 EcoBoost. We'll look at key performance metrics, engine options, and overall value to help you decide which truck best fits your needs. This comparison will highlight their strengths and differences, focusing on what matters most to truck owners like you. When it comes to power, the Tundra usually comes with a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, known for its durability and consistent power output. The F-150 EcoBoost, however, offers more engine variety, including a 2.7-liter and a 3.5-liter V6. These EcoBoost engines are celebrated for their blend of power and impressive fuel economy, often surpassing the Tundra in miles per gallon. For those needing to haul heavy loads, the F-150 EcoBoost often takes the lead. Certain configurations can tow up to 14,000 pounds, and its payload capacity can exceed 300 pounds. The Tundra, while still very capable, typically offers a maximum towing capacity around 12,000 pounds and a payload capacity closer to 1,900 pounds. Your specific needs will dictate which capacity is more suitable. Both trucks offer excellent value, but in different ways. The Toyota Tundra has a strong reputation for exceptional long-term reliability and lower depreciation. The Ford F-150, with its extensive trim levels and advanced technology, provides more customization and feature options. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize raw power and proven durability or advanced features and higher towing capabilities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.